Hi everyone, welcome to another explainer video. Today we'll discuss how to use an LLM-powered pricing expert in SYMSON. Introducing SYMSON's AI-powered pricing expert, a virtual team member who takes your pricing strategies to the next level. Using advanced machine learning, it analyzes vast amounts of pricing data and market conditions. This allows your business to forecast outcomes for various strategies, from setting the right price points to applying discounts or determining optimum pricing. It even creates end-to-end pricing workshops to upskill your team, ensuring they're equipped with expert knowledge and tools. SYMSON's AI-powered pricing expert is designed to bring precision and efficiency to your pricing strategies. Firstly, it enhances strategic decision-making by testing various pricing scenarios before implementation, reducing risks and boosting confidence. Secondly, it fills expertise gaps, offering expert-level insights and acting as a virtual consultant, especially for SMEs. Followed by boosting team collaboration through market scenario simulations, encouraging brainstorming and refining strategies for better decisions. Next, it accelerates market analysis with rapid data processing, helping you adapt quickly and stay ahead of competitors. Additionally, it reduces risks by previewing strategies, allowing for adjustments before real-world implementation. Then, it customizes consumer experiences by predicting customer reactions, driving loyalty and satisfaction. Lastly, it promotes continuous learning, keeping your team sharp and adaptable to market changes. SYMSON's LLM-based pricing expert is your virtual team member, bringing expert-level insights to critical pricing decisions. Firstly, it acts as a virtual consultant, offering data-driven insights to optimize pricing strategies and reduce consultancy costs. Secondly, it enhances team training and development, simulating market conditions to build pricing skills in a risk-free environment. With expertise, analytics, and strategic simulation, SYMSON's AI transforms pricing strategy into a competitive advantage. At SYMSON, we provide AI-powered tools that optimize your business processes across various areas. Our LLM-based solutions offer smart technical assistance, using pricing data to refine strategies and boost profit margins, while optimizing pricing strategies to increase profitability and customer loyalty. We also provide a smart customer feedback scanner that identifies key areas for improvement to enhance customer satisfaction. SYMSON's AI-based process manager streamlines operations and by pinpointing margin leakages ensures you capture all available profits. Additionally, our tools help improve rebate management and evaluate marketing ROI to boost campaign effectiveness. SYMSON tailors AI solutions to your specific needs, keeping your business competitive and efficient. SYMSON's AI-powered pricing expert helps your business optimize strategies, analyze customer feedback, and boost profitability. With smart, data-driven tools and customizable solutions, SYMSON ensures your pricing decisions stay competitive and efficient. If you find this video helpful, check out our other informative videos on our website. To learn more about AI pricing systems, you can book a demo with us. Thank you for watching.
Thank you, James. You're a great AI presenter. But if you would like to talk to a real person to discuss your pricing strategy or your current pricing process, this is also possible, of course. Please hit the button below or send me a message, and I would like to start the conversation about pricing with you. See you soon.